Good morning, you guys. Good morning. Happy Monday. It's a new week. It's a brand new week. You guys, this week I'm super ready to work. And I just received my first order right now. Right now it's 7:56 and we have $14 for 1.2 miles, and it's a shopping order. I'm only going to shop for two items. So let's go in and shop this order, yeah. Two of these. They also want two of these. And that's it. Let's go and check out. Good morning. Just got another offer, you guys. $16 for 7 miles. It's a shopping order, and I'm only going to shop for 7 items. Only 7 items. So let's go in and shop this order. We are going 15 minutes away, y'all. 15 minutes. Let's go. Should I leave on that door or this one? I'm gonna leave on this one since it's a little bit closer. Just received another order, $10 for 3.9 miles. It's a return order. For some reason, I don't like doing returns order, y'all. I do not like, just because I don't be knowing how long it's gonna take me to go to the address to the person's house. That's why I don't be taking them. Plus, they don't be paying good money anyway. It's $10, so it might take me 15 minutes away to go pick up the returns. So I'm good. I stay away from returns. Just received an order, guys. $31 for 31 miles, and he's loading it over there. He's putting in my car. So our third order of the day. So far so good. So far so good. I can't complain. So far so good. Received another order, $15 going 1.5 miles, and I'm only going to shop for 7 items. Yeah. Hello. It is now 11:54. 11:54. I just received another order, you guys. $22 for 7 miles and 3 customer drop off. So the pickup time is 12:05. So let's chill in here and wait for our pickup time. First drop off. I have some over here, so let's go. Let's get this out. Our second drop off. She said to go to the front door. Alright, let's get our last item. Last item. I mean our last delivery. Another shopping order, you guys. $43. $43, and I have to shop for 41 items. So let's go shopping. Oh, done. Cart is full. I just received another order, $22, going 6.8 miles, and it's a shopping order. I am going to shop 14 items. I'm going to another Walmart, which is 5 minutes from my main Walmart, so almost there. Right now it's 4 o'clock. So I have about 2 hours to work, 1 to 2 hours. From 2:30, I took a 1 hour break because I went to take my daughter to get her hair done. So I missed that 1 hour that I didn't work. So I'm back right now. Let's see if I can get, cause my goal was to make $200 today, and I need like $40 more. No, $36 more. So I need to see if I can make that before I go home. I'm here. All done. So right now, let's go at checkout. Oh, okay, y'all. It's too hot. So we have to go 10 minutes. Let's drive 10 minutes to go deliver this order. So far so good. I need about 2 more orders. Over $20. Yeah, it's 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock right now, and I just received the order. I was thinking if I should go ahead and do it or cancel it. So here's the order. $28. It's going almost 90 miles, and it's a shopping order, and I have to shop for 2 people. Altogether, it's 36 items. The reason why I'm about to take this order is because it's gonna put me closer to my goal, like almost to my goal. And if I decline this order and I only have 1 more hour to work, I might end up with nothing. How about that? Or less than that. So that's why I'm like, should I do this order or what? But I'm about to go ahead and shop this order. It's a lot of items, and it's 2 people. It's crazy. It's a lot of miles, but it's okay. If it was for 1 person, ooh, I would jump to on it. But 2 people, but it's anyway. I'm not complaining. I'm just letting you guys know. But it's alright. Let's go do it, so it can put me closer to my goal anyway. So let's go. Hold on, you guys. This is 1, and this is B, and the bottom there is A. So let's pack. Let's put in a car. Which one is bigger so I can go to the trunk? Let's put this one in here. Let's put the rest over here. Since they're all a lot of them, so I don't want to put everything at the back so they don't mix up. These eggs was for the other order, and these bags are for this one because they're gonna go upstairs. My first customer is 16 minutes away, y'all. 16 minutes away. Let's go. I think this is going to be my last order. Although I'm still missing a few dollars to reach my goal, but I don't know. I'm at the first drop off. It's an apartment. I'm going to letter P. So I'm guessing it's gonna be on 3rd floor or 2nd floor. I don't know. So let's go. Oh. Our second drop off is 9 minutes, y'all. Them stairs, y'all. I went all the way to 3rd floor. I'm breathing like crazy. Oh my God. Okay, let's deliver our second drop off, y'all. Second drop off. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good. What's the passcode?
Oh, is there a passcode? 4781.
Okay. You guys, I am done. It's been such a beautiful day. I'm tired. I've been working back to back. So thankful. So thankful. And today I don't. How many hours did we work? Let me see how many hours I worked. I worked 8 hours, y'all. 8 hours, and I made 194. 194. Oh my gosh, I only 194, 196. Let me check. Yeah, it's 194, y'all. 194. I only needed $6 more to reach my goal, but I'm so thankful. 194 is just like $200. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for watching this whole video. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for supporting your girl. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for commenting. Yo, I could go on. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So if you like this kind of content, please don't forget to subscribe. Today was such a beautiful day. I don't know about you guys over there. By the way, I don't know if I said it, today is Monday, April 21st, 20. I don't know. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.